Ever felt like pulling your hair out, trying to convert PDF drawings to CAD files? Fear not. Today we're unveiling how AI technology can turn your PDFs into editable CAD formats with ease, saving you both time and sanity. So, how does AI change the game? With deep learning and image recognition, AI can intelligently analyze the elements in a PDF drawing and automatically convert them into lines, curves, text, and other geometric shapes in AutoCAD DWG. Let's take a look at how to use an AI tool for PDF to CAD conversion. Step 1. Open PDF Blueprint and locate the PDF to CAD option. Step 2. Add PDF drawing, click Convert. In just seconds, the conversion is complete. Take a look at the result. Every line, every circle, and even the text from the original PDF has been flawlessly transformed into an editable AutoCAD drawing. Say goodbye to manual tweaks. It's perfection at its finest.